Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 24th of November 2024. I'll be going over my third lesson on economics and more specifically microeconomics, and we'll be covering just the basics of what is supply. Now, similarly to last video, we'll be differentiating supply and quantity supplied, which are two different things. Supply is the total amount of good or service that producers are willing and able to sell at a given price at a given time. Quantity supplied is the specific amount of a good or service that producers are willing to sell at the particular price. Law of supply states that as the price of a good rises, the quantity supplied typically increases, and vice versa. More succinctly said, price and quantity supplied have a direct relationship. Now, some factors that affect supply are production costs, technology, government policies, the number of sellers, and expectations. So expectations are if producers expect prices to rise in the future, they may reduce current supply in anticipation. Now, supply curve is a graph showing the relationship between the price of a good and the quantity supplied. Typically, always sloping upwards. Shifts in supply. Supply can either increase, and the supply will increase, then the curve will shift to the right, which means that more is supplied at every price. Now, decrease in supply means the supply curve shifts to the left or inwards, and less is supplied at every price. And price and quantity supplied is as movement along the curve means that changes in price or different prices on the curve correspond to different values of quantity supplied. So on this graph taken from Investopedia, price and quantity on the x-axis, x and y-axes, we can see that quantity supplied would be a movement along the curve. So increases in price would see an increase in quantity supplied. Shifts in supply would be the entire curve shifting inwards or outwards. And that's where we get the decrease or increase in supply at every given price. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.